One last time with feeling. This is the one and only Top 5 on NBA.com. At number 5, Golden State on the run and having fun. Steph goes left to Andre Iguodala, who was the absolute best Warrior baller in these NBA Finals, rising and shining right there above the rim. That's number 5. To number 4, the King didn't get his Cleveland ring, but he did steal and spike this one home on the other end at home in Cleveland. Watch again, just racing past Steph Curry, who wanted no part of this one from LBJ. On to number 3, it's D. Timofey Mozgov, rejecting this one like a waterlogged iPhone. That's Andre Iguodala, your Finals MVP, just getting swatted by Big Timofey. Get out of the way. That one's at number 3. On to number 2. Time winding down. LeBron is missing, but here comes Tristan Thompson, hops in and rocks the rim. Beautifully done by the big fella, bringing that one home. Watch it one more time. This was momentum for Cleveland just before the half. But at number 1, in the final game of the year, who else? It's a Festus for the rest of us. Ezeli with feeling. Dream of Californication. The title heads back to Golden State, and Festus Ezeli is number 1 on the NBA.com.